What are we doing here, hon?
At one of our favorite YouTubers' request, because she is going on vacation, we are harvesting her potatoes.
Oh, sweet.
And as you can see, there's still lots of life in them. So this is Val's bucket from Now Gardening. Awesome YouTube channel. She lives in the south of France. Not jealous at all, Val.
No, we're not jealous. We don't talk about it at all.
What we did was, this originally got a mix of soils. It got bloodfish and bone, and then we asked everybody to adopt a tater. So Val adopted it, and she went the king route, the Terry King route, and she asked for Miracle Grow. So we obliged. So this will be interesting. Terry's were early crop potatoes. These are main crop, so we can't compare apples to apples, but it'll be interesting to see, because Terry's were the biggest of the early crop, if these are the biggest of the main crop, right?
Perfect.
So that's how we'll have to do the comparison. So I'm not rooting against you, Val, but you know, we'll just see how it goes. We'll just see how it goes. Feels pretty light, which is not a bad sign or a good sign. We're starting to figure out. Oh, wow. Okay. So I think we have some potatoes.
They just fell out.
I know.
They just fell out the side.
Okay, so it's definitely got lots of leaves and chunky stuff in. It's dry on the bottom. But yeah, there's some potatoes in here.
Oh my God.
I know. Super dry, super chunky. I think I can put this in here.
I gotta say, as a reveal, like when you peel off, that's impressive.
That's pretty cool. Oh, seed potato. Yum.
Ew.
My wife is getting eaten by bugs right now, so.
Sorry.
Oh, interesting.
What is that? Eaten by something else?
Looks
Eaten by bugs?
like it. Something by bugs or something, so.
That's not a seed potato.
No.
That's a
That
seed
is
potato.
seed potato right
Ew.
there. Yeah, super dry at the top, but.
Do you feel like these are main crop-ish? Like they didn't grow in one layer, they grew up?
It
to
seems like
say.
there was 2 layers, so I don't know. Like that's.
There are 5 million tiny potatoes in there.
That's okay.
I see them all.
Potatoes for days.
Potatoes for years.
Oh my gosh, there are. Look at them.
Yeah.
Look at that little guy.
You just...
Nice catch.
Okay, thanks.
How many times can I put my hands through a seed potato? Nice little haul.
4.5.
4.5? Yeah, I think that's in the vicinity for sure. For sure. I think it's probably
hard
around
for me
that.
to judge when they're in that bucket for some reason.
Yeah, but we'll weigh them up, and we'll clean them up, weigh them up, and then see where we're at.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Haha.
Okay. Here we go.
Okay.
4 pounds.
Yeah. And a half.
Wow. 4.15. 4 pounds 15 ounces. Is that what that is?
Yes, it's
Okay.
almost 5 pounds.
So it's basically 5 pounds.
We can
Nice.
Wow.
Nice. Okay. It does look like there's a little bit of.
Well, you know what we didn't do? We didn't add the one that was busted.
Oh yeah.
Let's see how much. Just put it right on there. Yeah, see now she's at 5 pounds 2 ounces with the one that
Got split. I think it's split, and then it just decayed.
Okay.
But yeah, they look good. Awesome.
Okay, well done, Val.
Oh, enjoy your vacation, Val. What are we doing here?
Right. Okay, hold on. What are you waiting for? Okay.